Judith Cynthia Aline Keppel is a British quiz show contestant who was the first person to win £1 million on the British television game show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? She has appeared on the BBC Two quiz show Eggheads since 2003. Keppel's father, the Hon. Walter Arnold Crispian Keppel, was a lieutenant commander in the Royal Navy's Fleet Air Arm. The family moved around thanks to various naval postings before settling in London when Keppel was 17. She sat A-levels at St Mary's School, Wantage, and then completed a secretarial course. Keppel is a granddaughter of Walter Keppel, 9th Earl of Albemarle. Her great-grandfather, the 8th Earl, was the brother of George Keppel and the brother-in-law of Alice Keppel, a mistress of King Edward VII, and the great-great-uncle of Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, who is thus her third cousin. Through her grandfather, her ancestors include Eleanor of Aquitaine and Henry II of England, who were the subjects of her £1 million question on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. In 1964, at Chelsea, London, Keppel married her first husband, Desmond Cochrane, an art dealer with whom she had 3 children, Sibylla, Alexander, and Rosie, but they divorced in 1980. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.